Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the best drones of 2023. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a hobbyist, or just looking for a fun toy, we've got you covered. First up, we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This compact drone is perfect for capturing your world in detail, with 4K/60 FPS video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system also supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture, making it ideal for high-quality imagery day and night. The DJI Mini 3 Pro also offers true vertical shooting for perfect portrait shots, and features tri-directional obstacle sensing for safe flying. With a 34-minute flight time and a range of intelligent features, this drone is perfect for carefree creation on the go. Next, we have the DEERC D20, a great drone for kids or beginners. This drone is easy to control, with a one-key start/landing button and altitude hold function. The D20 also comes with low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards for a safe flight. You can also perform 3D flips or fly a predetermined course for added fun. And with voice control and gesture selfie, you can snap photos or videos with ease. Next we have the Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro. This newest EVO 2 Pro 6K drone is designed for professionals and features a 1-inch sensor Ultra HD Sony camera. With 10-bit A-log and Dynamic Track 2.0, this drone offers post-production flexibility and accurate target tracking. The 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance function makes it a safe drone to fly, and the 40-minute flight time ensures you have plenty of time to capture the perfect shot. Next, Gladius Mini S Underwater Drone. Have you ever wanted to capture the beauty of the underwater world? The Gladius Mini S Underwater Drone is here to make that dream a reality. With its 4K UHD camera and powerful 2400 lumens LEDs, you can get stunning photos and videos of the mysterious underwater world. Its 360 degrees omnidirectional movement, combined with its long battery life and large storage capacity, make it the perfect companion for your underwater adventures. Finley Potensic T25 Drone. The Potensic T25 drone is perfect for capturing your outdoor adventures from above. With its 2K camera and adjustable wide-angle lens, you can get a wide view and clear photos and videos. GPS Assist Wide, convenient and easy-to-use functions, and safe auto-return make it perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. So there you have it, the best drones of 2023. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, these drones are sure to impress. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.